Most AI agent tutorials show you a chatbot that calls one tool. That's not an agent. That's a very fancy if statement. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build and deploy a real production AI agent. One that reasons, uses memory, calls multiple tools, handles errors, and actually ships to the real world. This is the complete 2026 stack. Let's go. Before we write a single line of code, let me show you the full picture. A production agent has 5 layers. Most tutorials only show you layer 1. Layer 1, the brain, your LLM. We're using Claude Sonnet 4 via the Anthropic API. Layer 2, tool use, the agent's hands. We'll connect web search, a code executor, and a database. Layer 3, memory, short-term via conversation history, long-term via a vector store. Layer 4, orchestration, the loop that makes it reason step by step. We're using LangGraph. Layer 5, deployment, containerized with Docker, served via FastAPI, monitored with LangSmith. That's the 2026 production stack. Now let's build it layer by layer. Let's start with tool use. This is what separates agents from chatbots. I'm defining 3 tools: web_search, run_Python, and query_database. Each tool is just a function with a clear schema. The LLM decides when and how to call it. Notice I'm using the Anthropic tool _use API format, name, description, and input schema. Pro tip, your tool descriptions are basically prompts. Write them carefully. Now memory, because a goldfish agent is a useless agent. Short-term memory is just the conversation history we pass in every call. Easy. Long-term memory is where it gets interesting. We're using Chroma as our vector store. Every important fact the agent discovers gets embedded and stored. On each new task, we do a semantic search to inject relevant past context. Watch, I'll store a user preference, then retrieve it 10 turns later. This is the heart of the agent, the reasoning loop. LangGraph lets us define the agent as a state machine, clean, debuggable, production, ready. We have 4 nodes: think, act, observe, and respond. Think, the LLM decides what to do next. Act, it calls a tool. Observe, we feed the tool result back. Respond, if no more tools are needed, we return the final answer. The loop runs until the agent is confident or it hits the max iteration guard. Always add that. Let me show you the full graph in code. It's actually just 40 lines. Building it is half the battle. Shipping it is the other half. We wrap the agent in a FastAPI app, just a post endpoint that accepts a task and returns a result. I'm adding streaming support, so the front end gets tokens in real time. We also add basic auth and rate limiting, non-negotiable for production. Now containerize it, 1 Docker file, done. I'm deploying to Railway, the fastest way to get a Python agent live in 2026. 3 commands: Docker build, Railway login, Railway up. Your agent is now live on a public HTTPS endpoint. That's it. Last piece, observability. You can't improve what you can't see. 2 lines of code, and LangSmith traces every single agent run, every tool call, every token. This is how you debug production agents without going insane. All right, real task. No cuts, no edits. Watch the agent work live. I'm using the demo UI we just built. You can see the left panel has the task input, tool activity chips, and a live execution trace. I'm going to run the multi-tool chain task. This one hits all 3 tools in a single run. Task loaded. Hitting Run Agent, watch the right panel. The agent is now on iteration 1. It's calling the Google API. First step card appears. That's the reasoning block. The agent is thinking out loud before it acts. Now it's calling web_search. See the chip pulse amber on the left? That's a live tool call. Tool result comes back. The agent reads it, decides it needs more, calls run_Python next, and there, it's querying the knowledge base. 3 tools, chained autonomously, stop reason, end_turn. The agent is confident. Final answer card, green, structured, complete. 4 iterations, 3 tool calls, 0 hand-holding. That is a production agent. And that is the complete 2026 production AI agent stack. Claude API for reasoning, LangGraph for orchestration, Chroma for memory, FastAPI for serving, Docker for containers, Railway for deployment, and LangSmith for monitoring. The full source code is in the GitHub link below. It's a ready-to-fork template. If you want to go deeper, the next video covers multi-agent systems, where specialized agents collaborate to solve complex tasks. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.